Have you ever cooked for your girlfriend on a date and she didn't like it because you'd put too much salt and pepper on the food? What if the aroma of pepper is gone and the taste is no longer good? Introducing the 2-in-1 Premium Salt and Pepper Mill Master Grinder, an innovative product that provides an easier way to grind salt and pepper into one container. The Mill Master Grinder is designed with stainless steel that makes it look very stylish and protects it from any kind of breakage and deformation. All you have to do is twist off the grinder tops, fill in the desired spices, adjust the black knob, and grind into the food dish. By opening the lid grinder, you can see the bottom of a rotatable adjustment switch which allows you to make the spices finer and coarser. It has an intimate cover design that makes it dust-proof and moisture-proof and can effectively relieve the oxidation of seasoning. You can easily refill or clean the grinder because of its separation slot design that never puts your two spices together. So what are you waiting for? Buy Mill Master Grinder today and enjoy your balanced meal.